welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make money from cassava business in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about today. Many people are into cassava farming, and today I want to tell you how you can make money from cassava business. Many people are also planning to go into cassava farming, and today I want to tell you how to make money from cassava business. Many people, I met a man who told me that the money he made from his cassava farm, he paid for his children's school fees, he fixed his car, and he still had cassava more than what he have harvested on his farm. He was talking about it with pride and with joy and with confidence. Number one way to make money from cassava is to grow cassava. Consider growing high quality cassava on a large scale to produce and sell as fresh or processed crops. That is number one way to make money from cassava. You should be a cassava grower. That is the first way, or the first thing you should do if you are going to make money from cassava. Number two is to process cassava. Start a business processing cassava into garri, into fufu, into abacha, and high value products like starch, ethanol, and animal feed. This is more profitable than selling the fresh root crop. There's a place around my neighborhood where I grew up, and there's a place around the neighborhood, the town where I live currently. They have areas where they process cassava. They process it into garri. They process it also into other foods, and what they get, the waste, the something that's supposed to be a waste, they put it into laughing, and is a big market. And in fact, the woman was telling me that they sell to the international market also. People ask them to sell to them. The garri is clean and is good. So you should start cassava processing. If you are not involved in the farming, start going to the farming. So you can also be in the growing, the farming, and also you can be in the processing of cassava. Then number three way you can make money from cassava business in Nigeria is to sell to consumers. Set up kiosks and stores to sell the processed cassava directly to consumer market. You can sell garri, and you can sell abacha. You can sell the fufu to consumer. You can have a store in town, in a popular location in town, and people are going to buy from you, because food business never die. People must eat. No matter what time, people must eat. And you know, the cassava products are easy to prepare. Once they have soup or stew at home, they can get it in 10-15 minutes. Food is ready, the table is set. Then you can also make money from cassava by exporting. So consider exporting the processed cassava products to countries with high demand. There are countries that are in demand for cassava highly. Consider exporting cassava to them. Then number five is value addition. Add value to your local cassava-based products by using preservatives and packaging to make them last longer. Now, let me say this. If you have cassava large quantity to sell, let me know in the comment section below. Just say, I have cassava to sell, and put your phone number there. If you want to buy cassava, put in the comment section below that I have cassava to buy. And people that are watching this video are going to see the comments, and they are going to contact you. Some people have contacted me asking, in fact, that's why I'm doing this video, asking me that where can they get cassava to buy in large quantity. I know where you can buy around me, but you are far away, somewhere in Akure. I cannot come to Akure and be looking for where you are going to buy cassava. I checked online, I couldn't pinpoint. Those markets are not usually put on the net. So you have to identify the market, go around your locality, ask around, and you will see somewhere there. Now, if you don't want to go through that way, place it in the comment section below that I want to buy cassava, so quantity. If you want to sell, I want to put it in the comment section below. You want to sell cassava, and other people that are interested will see it and they will contact you. So another thing I've talked about, value addition. Now number six is to offer training services. Offer to train people on how to make money from cassava. Now, as I'm doing this video, let me be frank with you. I'm going to make maybe 1 cent or 2 cents anytime you watch the video. Maybe 1 cent, 2 cents, or even 50 cents if you watch the video from the beginning to the end. The more people watch the video and they see the advert in it and everything, I'm going to make some money. So this is like a training talking about cassava. So in a way, I also am making money from cassava. Now, you can organize the training for people that I want to train them, and you show them how to make garri from cassava. You take money from them. That is you have offered a service. So offer training services, provide training services to other aspiring entrepreneurs in the cassava business in your locality. You can also provide the training online. Then processed feeds. Consider producing processed feeds for livestock, such as flour and pellets, right there from cassava. You can produce processed feed. The cassava peel is usually sold in bags to those who are rearing animals. You can process it further and sell it as processed feed. Then, number 8 way you can make money from cassava is production of cassava plastics. Utilize cassava waste to produce biodegradable plastics for various uses. This is very, very good for the environment, but I'm not sure the people we are going to be willing to pay as much for the service. Processing of fruits and vegetables. Utilize cassava to process fruits and vegetables into juices, plastics, pastes, and purees. Then number 10, production of pharmaceuticals. Use the cassava starch and flour produced on cassava to produce pharmaceuticals. So you can sell to pharmaceutical companies and they can use it to make their drugs. They use it in making these drugs to make things to stick, like the starch in cassava. They use it in drugs, so it is what to make it to stick together. The drug components will be compounded together and then they can sell out as drugs. Then start a cassava farm. Start a cassava farm to cultivate and harvest cassava for sale. This can be on a small scale, medium scale, or on a large scale. It depends on you. Then number 12 is to invest in cassava farming equipment. Invest in specialized equipment to enhance the production process and make it more efficient. So there are things that you can use in the production process of cassava. You can invest money in these ones. Then network with other businesses. Connect with other businesses in the cassava industry to benefit from each other's resources and from each other's expertise. Then in the manufacturing of cassava is another one, manufacturing of cassava-based products. Manufacture cassava-based products such as noodles, chips, and flour to sell. Then number 15 way you can make money from cassava is the distribution of cassava-based products. So you look for cassava-based products and you get involved in the distribution. Reason is because they have known you with cassava. So anything linked with cassava, they want to even be asking you. I know a man who has a poultry outlet, a poultry shop, where he sells poultry feed and other poultry equipment. Whatever people come to ask him when he started, when they ask, he will go to the market, he will get it, he will display it. So he display anything they ask, he will display it. Those things are related to poultry. Then research and development is another thing you need to do that can help you to make money in cassava. Invest in research and development to improve the quality of cassava-based products that you are offering. Another way you can make money from cassava is through branding. You should brand your cassava product or your cassava business to help you stand out from the competition. There's competition. So when you have brand, the competition is going to fade away and the competition is going to be in your favor. Then you have to invest in technology. Invest in modern technology such as automation and artificial intelligence to streamline your cassava business operations. So all these you can do. Then this one that I want to say now cannot be overemphasized. Develop digital marketing strategies. There are digital marketing strategies that you can develop to help you to move your cassava business forward. Develop effective digital marketing strategies to promote your cassava business and increase sales. Then number 20 is to invest in logistics. You need to invest in logistics. Invest in logistics to ensure timely delivery of your cassava-based products. You know, you have cassava to deliver to somebody, and then the person is waiting for you, and you are late by 2 hours. You are late by 4 hours. Why? Because you don't have a vehicle to transport the cassava, and then you are waiting for somebody, and the person is disappointing you. The vehicle you are waiting for is disappointing you too. You are disappointing your customers. The customers will not patronize you next time. So that's why you have to invest in logistics. We know that you need transport for cassava. You invest in transport. You can get a loan from bank. You can get a loan from friends. You can get a loan from angel investors to get the logistics you need ready, so that you will not disappoint. If you disappoint the customer once, they will not patronize you again. Then you need to partner with NGOs. Partner with local and international NGOs to benefit from their networks and resources for your cassava business. Then you have to manufacture your packaging materials. You can go into the production of cassava packaging materials that will help you to make money. So use cassava waste to produce packaging materials to protect the products from damage during transportation. Then number 23 is consultancy services. You can make money from cassava consultancy services. Provide consultancy services to companies in the cassava industry to help them improve their processes. Number 24 is to invest in training. Invest in training to ensure that your staff must be under the business that you are doing, because your staff are the one that will project and push the business to the next level. So you have to invest in their training. In fact, the money you invest in their training should be enormous, should be much, so that if you really want to get something good out of it. The latest trends, the latest technologies in the cassava industry are the things that we need. Then number 25, create an online presence for your cassava business. You can create an online presence by making sure your business is known on online platforms. Your business can be showcased on an online platform like this one that we are on now. If you contact us, we can make videos that will cover what you do in your business and mention you, and your contact will be there, and people can contact you to do business with you. You need to believe in the Almighty Creator that created the universe, that is going to move and help you to make money. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. If I've added value to you through this video, please, I want to plead with you to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. If you're a first timer, go down below and drop your comment in the comment section below and said, I'm a first timer here. I have other videos that talk about cassava, and that video is heavy. That video is the highest watch time daily on my channel. So this video that's popping up is another video that you need to see. So go ahead now and see this video. And if you are looking for a particular video on anything that I have made, what you need to do is to open the YouTube. Then when you open the YouTube, on the search bar on YouTube, you will click on the search bar. You put the search bar on the search bar. You put there Olugbin Garri Titun. So if you are looking for cassava, any video I've done on cassava, in front of you put cassava, Olugbin Garri Titun cassava. You will see the videos I've done on cassava will be listed. If what you are looking for is my videos on transport, because I've talked about that you need transport logistics. If what you are looking for is transport, go on the YouTube search bar Olugbin Garri Titun and put there transport, and click enter. It's going to bring the videos I've done on transport. I've done videos on different businesses, ice block, egg business, and many others. So check them out, and you are going to be glad you did. Bye for now.